Alright, so I'm going to display this on a black surface. You're going to see some noise here, but that's just the video. So here's our second part, and this time you can tell it is much better as far as how clean it goes all the way up. Now, when you lower the temperature, sometimes you're going to get these little things, these little teeny tiny hairs that show up between bridges. That's pretty normal. So here's the part before, and you can see how wavy it is all the way down. It's got some slack going right here in this area from the bridge, but this is really kind of burnt. You can look at the sphere on the top, definitely no detail at the very top. This one's starting to get detail. Alright, now this is an incredibly small piece, so it's a pretty good challenge to try to print something like this. So here's what we're going to do. Because it never has enough time to cool, even with the fan on high, and it's such a small piece, we're going to actually print two of these. So we'll have more, and we're going to set this one over here and this one over here. Okay, so these incredibly small pieces like this, it is probably good to combine them with other pieces before you print them. But if you have no choice and they are small, you know, sometimes it's better to have two. Here's the reason why. So the printer head has to go from here to here, and by the time it goes from there to there, it has time to cool. Another thing I like to do is this. Okay, so I'll set them offset from each other, and the reason for that is because as the printer goes back and forth, it has to go over and then down or across to get to this piece. It cannot go straight across, therefore it does give it a couple extra seconds to cool. So we're going to try this method right here, and we're going to have a fan. So I have my fan pointed kind of this way. So therefore I'm going to have this set up like this and just like that. Okay? Since my fan is pointing kind of kitty corner to this side. Alright. Let's export that. Same heat setting, same everything else. Fan's going to be set on high, and let's look at the results for that in the next video.